Here's an unboxing of this Easy Bar right here. Let me make sure the camera's rolling. Yeah, we're good. So here's the Easy Bar. This is how it comes packaged. Bust it open here and show you what's inside. There we go. It comes nicely packaged. Cardboard wasn't beat up. Foam pieces look good. And it's covered in this plastic. Here's a look at the bar. Nice grip, feels nice in the hand. Got a little instruction sheet right here. And you get 4 of these inside of the bag. And that's everything that it comes with. Excited to use this thing.